guided meditation, a journey into healing. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and a long breath out through your mouth. As you settle, imagine you're beginning from a quiet, undefined place, a kind of nowhere. There's nothing you need to know or figure out. You are simply here. And from this soft beginning, you're invited to take your first step into creativity. Let your hand choose a colour, a shape, or even a torn piece of paper. Start small. Let your creativity lead the way. There is no right or wrong here, only gentle movement. With every simple mark, your nervous system softens and you begin to return to yourself after years of tending to everybody else. Now bring your awareness to your breath. Take one slow breath in through your nose and one long breath out through your mouth. Feel your body respond, loosening, settling, opening. Your breath becomes your anchor, reminding you that you are safe to soften. As your breath steadies, your inner world becomes easier to approach, gently, at your own pace. Let your art hold what words cannot. Allow colours, shapes and textures to express the feelings, sensations or memories that don't have language yet. You don't need the whole story to begin healing. Your art understands. As you continue, release any pressure to perform or perfect. This page is yours alone, a private, tender space where you can be messy, curious, playful, or just simply quiet. Let go of getting it right. Healing lives in the process, not the product. Every mark you make is an act of self-care, an act of permission, an act of returning home. And now you notice the small shifts within you. You feel a little more calmer. You find you feel more spacious. You're finding there's a little bit more of you. Honour these gentle changes, for they are signs of growth, courage, wisdom, all of these earned through a lifetime. You are not starting over. You are returning to who you always were, who you were meant to be, with softness, strength, and deep inner knowing. Take one final slow breath in through your nose and a long breath out through your mouth. You have travelled from nowhere to a place of healing, and you can return anytime you need to. Namaste.